Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pratibha. So today I would like to share with you all my experience with PCOD or PCOS. To tell you, I'm not a doctor and I won't suggest you any kind of medicines. So when did I realize that I have got PCOD was when I was in my high school on 12th standard. I think at about I was in 12th standard. So at that time I suddenly developed a lot of acne in my face and had got a lot of facial hairs over my face. Also had gained a lot of weight over my lower abdomen, and also I used to get very sick. There were mood swings, a lot of mood swings, and also the main thing was that I then used to get my periods for about 3 months. So that is when I had talked to my mom and I decided that okay, I'll go to a gynecologist. So I went to a gynecologist and she first of all had given me a blood test and also had given me to do an ultrasound just to check if there was cyst present in my ovaries, and she found out that I had developed 4 cyst in my ovaries. So she gave me birth control pills which was 1035, and she told me to continue having it for 3 cycles. I need to take those pills for 21 days and thereafter there was a break till my next cycle starts. So having said that, I followed the gynecologist's advice and I had taken the pills, and for the year I had no problem with my periods. I got my periods on time. But after that, when I went to my college, then in second year I realized that again I am missing my periods. I'm not getting my periods. Also I had little bit of acne and little bit of facial hair also over my chin. So again I thought maybe PCOS is returning. So I went to gynecologist again and she suggested me all those things. But this time there was something. I thought like I did everything but it didn't work out for me. I thought it's like once it's gone it will not come back. I thought that way. But to my surprise, when it came back, then I decided to Google it and find out the root cause of it. And the root cause of it was my lifestyle habit. I had very bad lifestyle habit. I used to have all of junk foods, you can say, to name a few, rolls and everything, puchkas, whatever you Indian families eat outside, right, girls? So I had a lot of, I'm obsessed with pastries and sweets, so I had to give up all of them. So I tried to modify this lifestyle changes me. So first of all, what I did was I tried to exercise regularly. At least I tried to walk for 30 minutes. And so having said that, I also try to sleep on time, get regular sleep for at least 8 to 9 hours a day. Used to eat only home cooked foods and good foods, and the things which I avoided in food was milk, because it would rise in testosterone. We women also have testosterone in our body, which when rises we'll have this facial hair growth and all. So I avoided all those and also have avoided the sweet pastry, my love. So I have avoided all those things. So having made this lifestyle changes, also having lot of water, having omega-3 as fatty acids in my diet through I used to consume flax seed. So having all this thing in my diet have really helped me and also helped me to fight the PCOD. So I would like to share my this experience with you, and I would like to tell you all the girls over there that let's talk about it. It's nothing that we cannot talk about it. And the boys, please understand, it happens to any of the girl around you, okay? It's very common disease, so don't be scared. If it's happening because of a lifestyle change, so try to modify it from your end, and I think one day the PCOS will be foreverly gone. So taking pills is a temporary solutions, but if you do something from within, then it's going to really help you in the long term. So if you like my video, if you think this is useful, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the suggestion, please hit the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.